Good morning guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my good name is Molen and my content is all about cooking and lifestyle. And for my returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. I do appreciate. As you have seen from the title of the video, I'm currently in the village and I would like you guys to spend a day with me in the village. I want to show you how a typical day looks like in our African village home. So here I just woken up and the first thing before starting my morning routine is to brush my teeth and wash my face. This is what I normally do even back in the city or when I'm in the village. But when I'm in the city, I normally take a shower in the morning. But here in the village, I just brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I'll shower later. I'll take a bath later. So guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this video. So guys, let's start our day. So guys, here in the village we normally start by washing the utensils before making tea. So the guy behind me is helping me to lit the fire. By the way, he is our help. He helps with the garden work, taking care of the kettles, the cows, the goats, and also the chicken, because we have a lot of chicken, and also taking care of the compound. He is a good guy and I like him because he is very hardworking guy. I told him to lit the fire for me, then I'll do the rest of the work. So I've put the water for washing the utensils and also for making tea. I normally use hot water to wash the utensils because it's cold. It's in the morning and it's very cold. So I have to use hot water to wash the utensils. So he has gone to milk the cow, so I'll be doing the dishes. I'll be washing the dishes as I wait for the milk.
Gave you all that I could give, but it wasn't enough. Oh, tried to show me how to live when I was numb. And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need? Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. 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 To keep you next to me.
Here the milk was brought and I decided to make tea as I continue washing the rest of the utensils. So that's our tea. It's only for 3 people, we are not many. So here I was multitasking. Is it multitasking? I was looking after the tea not to pour down. Kwa naangalia chai simwagike na bado naosha vyombo. So I was multitasking here.
Oh, hell no.
So here the tea was ready and I was putting them into the flask so that it does not get cold. The reason why I'm using 2 flasks, one is for the help, moja ni ya mfanyikazi na hiyo ingine ni yetu. So huwa anabeba chai sometimes akienda shambani, anaweza kunywa akisikia njaa kabla atoke. Yeah, so mi prefer kumwekea chai kwa thermos. Yep. So guys, after the tea was ready, I decided to boil these sweet potatoes. These are direct from our garden, very fresh, so that you can take tea with them. So after washing them, I'm just going to place them in a pot and bring them to boil. Then I went back to my utensils to finish washing them as I wait for our potatoes to boil.
And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need? Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. 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 To keep you next to me.
Tried to give the best of it, but it was coming undone. Oh, every choice filled with regret, till the night we were done.
So guys, the breakfast is ready, so let me enjoy. See you in a few. After taking my breakfast, I decided to sweep this other side of the compound. We have a very big compound, but our help will sweep the rest of the compound as I sweep this other side.
Oh, every choice filled with regret, till the night we were done. So sick and tired of trying to listen, but feeling so misunderstood. Every word and action misfigured by promises no good.
And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resist?
So guys, this is the other side of the compound. As you can see, he is sweeping. So guys, after we have done with the house chores, we decided to go to the garden. So this is a maize plantation. We were going to pick pigeon peas. Pigeon peas is called mbaazi in Swahili. Here in Kenya we call it mbaazi. So this is the pigeon peas. We are picking them so that we can cook githeri. We are going to remove them from the pods, then we can cook githeri. Githeri is a mixture of these pigeon peas and corn or maize. After picking our pigeon peas, we went back home. Here we are now removing them from the pods so that we can cook our githeri. This is how they look like after removing them from the pods. For the maize, we bought them from the market because the ones that are in the garden are not edible yet. They are not yet ready. So that's why we bought this from the market. Bye.